Hello and welcome everyone. In today's video, I will show you how to send messages on LinkedIn. To do this, it's very simple. You have just to go to LinkedIn and after that, go and click on your picture, go to your profile, and after that, you can choose anyone from your connections that you want to send him a message. After that, you click on message, and to type a message, you, for example, type just hello, like this, and after that, click on send, and your message will be sent to that person. I hope that you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, to like this video, and see you.